guys, welcome back. The horses are here. Oh my god, this morning I saw it and yesterday morning I almost cried at how beautiful it was. So there's this pink one, not the one I think I'm gonna get. There's this green one, probably not gonna get him. Here's the one I'm gonna get. Yes. I was gonna buy him before you guys, but then I couldn't find a name, and I was like, maybe I should film this. How funny this is. So, I got 600. I got ants, 599. Buy horse or no buy horse? Hey, JK guys, I am not gonna buy this JK. I love this one. Midnight Hunter? Midnight Blue. Oh my god, guys, I was trying to look for something that had blue in it, and then it said midnight. I was like, midnight blue. Oh my god. Midnight blue. Midnight beam or blue? Where's blue? Don't tell me they took away blue. No! Where is blue? Are you kidding me? Are you joking around with me? Please say you are. Please be joking around with me. Please! Please. Brother, boy, bow, born, blood, blaze, bird. There's no blue. I am not buying this then. No, thank you. Sometimes you just gotta exit out. Spiderborn, no, a little too creepy. Blue, do they have blue? Oh my god, they still don't have blue. Oh my god! They just took away blue like nothing is wrong with that. Everything's wrong with that. Do you know why they took away blue? Oh gosh. So I guess midnight, desire. Where's midnight? Oh, I passed it, wow. I passed way up. Oh! Are you freaking serious? Are you joking with me? Really? Why can't I just move? So now, okay, hold on guys, I'll be right back with you when I went with Midnight Desire. Sorry that I bought it. Oh yeah, I meant to show you guys the name. But I just clicked my horse. Look, I only have one circle left. This is gonna be fun. One. Okay, so that was just my Nana. Okay, so we're gonna call for pickup because I want to see this horse. It's gonna be so amazing! I can't get tacked because I only have one star coin, but you know, it was funny. That it's just having a magic horse is just, it's different. Okay, it's different. It's different. Different. Oh my god, why? It won't load now. Fine, like, let's take a picture. Guys, on my laptop, if you take a picture, it makes day. It makes the game lighter, like this. So I'm just gonna arrange all my horses, and then I'm gonna get Midnight Desire. I can't see them good. Oh, they're not missing. He's beautiful! Okay, yeah, I want to arrange these horses, yeah. Arrange. I forgot. I have to get off of her to arrange the horses. If I want her in. Hello? Hey. They were good. Oh my gosh. over here because I paused it for a minute. I opened the door, but I have not. Well, I accidentally rode him. But guys, this is the real ride because I got right up. Okay. He's beautiful. It's very slow though. Just sad. But he's beautiful. Fast, no. Beautiful, yes. Oh my god. Let's see what his other thing. Oh my god! I wonder what his other thing is gonna be. It's not beautiful. Whoa! That is so cool. So cool. I am riding Midnight Desire, and I can't rename him because I love his jump, man. I missed the jump, but his jump is rear. So this is his walk, his trot, his canter, his fast canter, and his gallop. I think it's just so pretty. Jump! I look like a true star rider. People make fun of non-star riders. Stop. Just stop. Hold the beat. Look! Stop! Look, he's saying stop! Well, that's it for you guys today. Maybe later on in the future we will do some races with me. Yeah. Bye, guys!